When you have no money, say this. Here's what you have to say when you have no money. And when you say it, what's going to happen is you're going to start seeing money. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and say these powerful words and you will start to bring wealth into your life. Hey, make sure you hit the like button on this video right over there to send this out into the YouTube algorithm right over there on the side. And I can't wait to hear about the money that starts to come to you when you say these words. So, if I say this to you, large sums of money can come to you easily and quickly. What do you think? Yeah, right. Oh, stupid YouTuber saying something. Large sums of money come to you quickly and easily. Say it with me. Say, large sums of money come to me. Not me, to you. Quickly and easily. Say it again. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Say it again. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Now comment it down below. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Have you noticed that when you don't have any money, your thoughts actually are the exact opposite of that? They're not in congruence with having money. Here's what needs to happen. Your thoughts and your words need to be in congruence with your desire. People that are broke have no congruence between the things that they say and think about money and their desire for it. There's a big difference between wishing for money, hoping for money, wanting for money, working for money, and believing that you can have it. You could wish for money, you can hope for money, you can want for money, you can pray for money, you can work hard for money, but if you say, it's not that important, at least I'm happy. Money is hard. You don't understand. It is hard. You must be a scammer. You must be a rich person. You don't understand. They're taxing me too much, and my boss, and I don't have the right GPA and my credentials, and I don't know how. You're not in congruence with having money. Your thoughts become things, including your bank account. Do you know the digits in your bank account are determined by the thoughts that you think? Have you ever met a person who makes a lot of money that speaks negatively of having a lot of money? Have you ever met a broke person who speaks positively about money? I haven't. So start today with this simple phrase. Say it 10 times with me right now. I am so grateful. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. There's two adjectives in there that changed my life. See, I'm telling you just the straight to God truth. I went from my wife was in debt, not because she bought stupid stuff, because I was not able to even pull 50% of the weight financially in the early stages of our relationship. She paid for our groceries, she paid for us to go out to dinner, and she couldn't afford it because she worked 50 hours a week at Brandy Melville managing the store, but she's trying to live in Southern California and it's expensive. And she couldn't afford it, and she was in debt. And I finally had this thing where I snapped. And I was like, this is stupid. Like, I tell myself I'm spiritual, I tell myself money isn't that important, and it is, because I can't go eat where I want. I can't not stress about the bills. This is not healthy. And I snapped. And I wrote this phrase down on a piece of paper. I heard it in a video somewhere. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Now, those two ending adjectives really pissed me off at first. Easily and quickly. I thought, oh yeah, money's gonna come to me easily. I work all the time, because I did. I was actually a workaholic. I didn't realize that I was a workaholic, but I was a workaholic. I'd work until 2, 3 in the morning, wake up at 6, 7 in the morning. I was getting 4 or 5 hours of sleep. I was tired all the time. I didn't feel good. I was always irritable. But I would tell myself money's not that important, yet I worked all the time. It's funny how when you don't have money, you constantly think about it. Now that I, at 28 years old, am a millionaire and that I'm making more money than I am reasonably spending, I don't think about it very much. Because it doesn't limit my life, so it's not a thought about it. So what changed? I kept saying those phrases over and over again, and then eventually, into my subconscious, those two adjectives fit quickly and easily. Guess what? I work less than before and I make more money than before. Why? Because money has ears, and when it hears you, it will come. Imagine if money was a romantic partner, and you said to your, I think about my wife, right? And my beautiful wife, Ashley, if I said to her, you are not important. You are the root of all evil. I'll be happy without you. Shit, dude, I don't know about her, but I'd be out the door in a month. Maybe faster. So you think money is going to come to you? What is a person? A person is a mass of energy moving at a very high speed of vibration. It's energy, it's vibration. What is paper? What is money? It's energy. It's all different forms of energy. That's all reality is. What are your thoughts? Your thoughts are energy. They're consciousness. So your thoughts, your energy, is what dictates the outer energy that you experience. And you wouldn't do that in a relationship, so why would you do that in your relationship with money? Right? You see what I'm saying? So say it. Comment it down below. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Comment that down below. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. See, here's what I think. I think that society and the rich people that want to keep the wealth of resources in their hands have convinced you that money's hard to come by. You're not good enough. You're not smart enough. None of that is true. If you start saying this phrase over and over again, I'm telling you, money's going to come your way. If you haven't yet, right there down below is my free success hypnosis. It's jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. It's a free success hypnosis. Over 600,000 people from all over the world have used it, and it's going to reprogram your subconscious mind so money starts to come to you. So it's right there down below. It's jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. If you haven't yet, hit the like button on this video. That's what's going to send this out into the YouTube universe. So make sure you hit the like button on this video right over there, and then subscribe, bell notification. Bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. Even if you already subscribed, just double check. Have you actually hit the bell notification right over there on the side? Thank you for watching this video. Repeat this phrase over and over again. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily. Say it, say it, say it, say it. Large sums of money come to me quickly and easily.